One of the most frequently asked questions is,
how often should you clean your water distiller?
Hi, I'm Brandon Flint with Mountain Water Distillers.
Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how often to clean a water distiller. The quick answer to how often to clean a water distiller is, drain your boiling chamber once a month, clean your water distiller system every 6 months, and replace the filters. How do you know if you need to clean it more than every 6 months? As a good rule of thumb, if the scale is the thickness of a credit card, then it's time to clean your water distiller boiling chamber.
you must keep your distiller clean to maximize the life of your distiller. You should drain your boiling chamber and then add Durastill Still Sweet to your boiling chamber at least once every month. Even better, the Durastill engineers recommend draining your boiling chamber once per week and then add Still Sweet. Ideally, you would drain it once per week, but I would rather have you drain it once a month than not drain it at all. Draining your boiling chamber will keep your boiling chamber very clean and running optimally. Don't forget to immediately fill up the boiling chamber after. You should clean your water distiller system and replace your filters every 6 months. You should inspect the boiling chamber lid and opening every 6 months. If it is dirty and you see scale building up, then clean it with white distilled vinegar. Scrub off any dirt or scale around the opening of the boiling chamber. Then clean the boiling chamber lid and crossbar. How to clean a Durastill water distiller in 3 easy steps. Easy clean step number 1, clean the distiller boiling chamber. Easy clean step number 2, clean the water storage tank. Easy clean step number 3, replace the filters.
In summary, as a general rule, you should drain your boiling chamber once a month, clean your Durastill water distiller system every 6 months, and replace the filters. For a more in-depth water distiller cleaning video, and to
Learn how to extend the life of your distiller up to 30 years.
watch the Ultimate Cleaning and Maintenance Guide for Durastill Water Distillers.